Hello and welcome to Schematic Minds, back for another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. We're going to be looking at the gold and silver. We're going to be looking at gold and silver, the price, action, and everything else. But first I want to get into is the outlook at the investing.com website. You know, you have the outlook of gold and silver. And it shows here with those moving averages show a strong buy signal right now on the hourly chart. And then 5-hour chart, we got a buy signal. The daily, we got a sell signal. So why does it show on sale on the daily chart? So let's get into that. So first, looking at gold, we look at the daily. Let's switch to the daily chart. I know I got a lot on this chart. We got this is why it's showing a sell signal. And we zoom out all the way, because we have a trend line going up here. And I put another trend line here. I like to squeeze the price. And you can see that the market is overdue to sell off. And actually, I see why. Gold is going to sell off long term. It's definitely going to sell off. I would look to sell long term, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm looking at gold right now. I'm seeing a major gap right here. I didn't see this. Price has to come back and fill that gap. So I see gold getting back down to maybe 18, looks like 1868. And I'm glad I did this video today, because I see a lot of people are just going to tell you to buy gold. Listen, physical gold and silver are always going to be worth more than the paper price intrinsically. So there's going to be an intrinsic difference between the physical price of gold and silver and the digital price of gold and silver. So, but in regards to Forex, the Forex market or the digital price, I see it correcting to getting back down to 1867. So coming back down to 1867, and then the price will most likely continue going up. But overall, I still, when it comes to the physical gold and silver, you can't go wrong with buying and holding. You can't buy silver, I think, right now for the spot price, which is $25.05. We can check real quick, right? We can go check real quick. See this 1 ounce coin, you can't get it for 31, including shipping. You see how you can't get it for $31.95. See that? You see the price the differential. Okay, so it's gonna always have more value than the digital price. So, all right. So long term, I see gold. It might be good to go ahead and look for positions to sell gold. If you're trading it on a month-to-month basis, month-to-month, I see it making its move down. Short term, listen, looking at that gap on gold, I would kind of stay to the sell side right now. I know that's not conventional, but they know a lot of people are looking at gold and silver, and getting more interested in the story. So they, I just see long-term gold and silver being, especially gold right now. I see it making a sell-off. But let me see what's going on the daily chart on silver. And silver's got a gap too. See that gap right there? So the price usually has to come back and fill that gap. And so with that being said, we're looking for sell signals on sell trade setups on gold and silver this week. And I think overall it's going to be heading down. That's my outlook on gold and silver. So you'll be looking to position, to win positions headed to the downside. And you want to trade. The way I like to trade Forex is just to trade it in one direction. That way you break out. You get rid of a lot of bad trades, the bad trade setups, especially if you're actively trading.